Why are commercial airplanes almost always painted white? It's one of those details you've probably noticed without ever really questioning. Whether you're watching planes taxi on the runway or spotting one cruising high above the clouds, chances are it's wearing a clean, bright white exterior. But this isn't just about aesthetics or tradition. There's actually a fascinating mix of science, economics, and safety behind this choice. And once you understand the reasons, you'll never look at airplanes the same way again. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. To understand why airplanes are painted white today, it helps to look back at aviation history. In the early days of commercial flight, aircraft weren't always white. Airlines experimented with different colors, metallic finishes, and bold liveries to stand out and promote their brands. In fact, many early planes were left unpainted, showing off their polished aluminum bodies. This shiny metallic look became especially popular in the mid-20th century because it reduced weight and avoided the cost of paint altogether. However, as aircraft technology evolved, particularly with the introduction of composite materials and more advanced aluminum alloys, painting became more practical and necessary. Over time, white emerged as the most efficient and effective choice. One of the biggest reasons airplanes are painted white is heat management. When an aircraft is sitting on the runway under direct sunlight, it can absorb a tremendous amount of heat. Dark colors absorb more sunlight and therefore more heat, while white reflects most of it. By painting planes white, airlines can significantly reduce the amount of heat absorbed by the aircraft's body. This helps keep the interior cooler, which is not only more comfortable for passengers but also reduces the strain on air conditioning systems. Less strain means less fuel consumption. And in an industry where every drop of fuel counts, that's a major advantage. Another critical factor is safety, specifically the ability to detect damage. Airplanes undergo constant stress during flights, from changes in air pressure to temperature fluctuations and mechanical strain. Over time, this can lead to small cracks, dents, or other structural issues. A white surface makes these imperfections much easier to spot during routine inspections. Cracks in paint, oil leaks, and corrosion stand out more clearly against a light background than they would on darker or more complex color schemes. This allows maintenance crews to identify and address problems early, which is essential for ensuring passenger safety. Weight is also a surprisingly important consideration. Paint might seem insignificant, but when you're covering the massive surface area of a commercial airplane, it adds up. A full paint job can weigh hundreds of kilograms. Using minimal layers and sticking primarily to white paint helps keep that weight as low as possible. If airlines were to use darker colors or more elaborate designs across the entire aircraft, it would require additional layers of paint, increasing the overall weight. More weight means more fuel consumption, and over time that translates into significantly higher operating costs. Speaking of costs, economics play a huge role in this decision. Airlines operate on tight margins, and efficiency is everything. White paint is not only lighter, but also cheaper to apply and maintain. It's easier to produce, widely available, and simpler to touch up when needed. Additionally, white paint tends to fade less noticeably than darker colors. Over time, exposure to sunlight can cause paint to degrade, but fading is far less obvious on white surfaces. This means airlines don't need to repaint their aircraft as frequently, saving both time and money. There's also the issue of standardization and flexibility. Airlines often buy, sell, or lease aircraft, and having a neutral base color like white makes this process much easier. A white airplane can be quickly rebranded with new logos and decals without requiring a complete repaint. This is especially important in the leasing market where aircraft frequently change operators. A simple white base coat allows for quick transitions between airlines, reducing downtime and maximizing profitability. Interestingly, white paint also plays a role in visibility and safety on the ground and in the air. A white aircraft is highly visible against both the sky and the runway, especially in varying weather conditions. This can help reduce the risk of collisions and improve overall situational awareness for pilots and ground crews. In emergency situations such as a crash or forced landing, a white aircraft is also easier to spot by rescue teams, particularly in environments like the ocean or remote terrain. You might be wondering, if white is so practical, why do some airplanes still have colorful designs? The answer lies in branding. Airlines still need to stand out in a competitive market, so they incorporate color through logos, tail designs, and accent stripes. These elements allow them to maintain a unique identity without sacrificing the benefits of a predominantly white body. It's a balance between practicality and marketing, and most airlines have found that a white base with strategic color accents is the perfect compromise. There have been a few exceptions over the years. Some airlines have experimented with darker or more colorful full-body paint schemes. While these designs can look striking, they often come with higher costs in terms of maintenance, heat absorption, and fuel efficiency. As a result, many airlines that tried these bold approaches eventually returned to predominantly white aircraft. In recent years, advancements in materials and paint technology have opened the door to new possibilities. Engineers are developing lighter, more durable coatings that could potentially allow for more varied color schemes without the same drawbacks. However, for now, white remains the most practical and cost-effective choice for the majority of commercial aircraft. So the next time you look up and see a white airplane soaring overhead, you'll know there's much more to it than meets the eye. That simple color represents a carefully calculated decision shaped by decades of engineering, economics, and safety considerations. It's a perfect example of how even the smallest details in aviation are driven by efficiency and precision. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.